In this video, I will explain about shorthand if else statement with an example. Here the question is program to check whether a given number is even or odd using shorthand if else statement. Here we can write the entire code in just a single line, as you can see, and the shorthand if else is applicable only for short codes. The codes with just one single conditions or similar codes. So here the body of the if statement is print even, and the condition is whether the given number divided by 2, and if we get the remainder of 0, then the output should be even, or else the output should be odd. So here we are used to int so that we can only enter integers, or else it will be displayed as error. And modulus of 2 means if we have entered any number, for example 2 divided by 2, then we get the remainder as 0. Or if we have entered 5 and divided by 2 and the remainder will not be 0, so the output will be false. So let us see what are the outputs. Here we are going to enter 6. Now you can see the output is even. Similarly, let's use shift and enter key as to run the program. Now we are going to enter 9 and click enter to get the output. It's odd. So our program is correct.